Our goal is to give everyone a 5-star experience, and it's great to know that our efforts are so appreciated. Here's a fantastic review we're happy to share right now. This is one of our favorites because we go to great lengths to constantly work on improving our processes and making sure everyone gets the best service possible. So online feedback like this is always appreciated, and we love sharing it with others. So if you're seeking a company that's focused on great satisfaction and high quality service, we're your choice. We're confident that you'll walk away very satisfied. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you. Contact us today at the number on your screen. Have a great day.